let's get started. We will start by drawing Bluey's rounded face, add friendly curved eyebrows, a small triangular nose, a smiling mouth, and 2 big oval eyes with shiny dots. Add 2 slightly rounded triangle ears on top with smaller inner ear shapes. Draw a large circle around the head for Bluey's astronaut helmet. Now we will draw a rounded collar, her arms, a rectangular chest panel with buttons, Bluey's wagging tail, and her short legs. Circle for the planet with curved stripes. Now, draw a rocket. For that, we'll draw a long oval rocket with a pointed top, small fins, a round window, and flame shapes at the base. At last, we will draw a star. Now, we will highlight our drawing. It's time to color our drawing. We will color some body parts of Bluey dark blue. Look at Bluey's smile. Isn't she looking so happy? Now, we will color some parts of the body ice blue. Nose brown and snout light brown. Now, color the other parts light blue. Bluey is looking so cool in her astronaut suit. We will color its tongue red. Now we will color the astronaut suit gray, buttons orange, and red. Let's color the planet light brown and yellow. We will color the moon yellow. Now we will color the star pink. At last, we will color the rocket ship red.
purple.
Light green.
Yellow. Orange. And it's done.
Bye, friends. Let's meet in the next video.
And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.